a whole full get ready with me, but of course I woke up so late. Actually, I woke up early and then I went back to sleep. Put some sunscreen on. But so yeah, like, and plus I didn't get back to my room until like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, and I couldn't sleep. Yeah. Yesterday, it was fun. It was fun. We went bar hopping out here and we partied with the locals. We got food. Even though it took over 45 minutes. Ooh, I probably sprayed too much sunscreen. Oh, it's bad with the diet. Okay, okay. It took us over 45 minutes just to get our food. Yeah. But it was authentic Caribbean food, so it was good. I have an idea for my hair. Let me see if I can do it. That's cute. Hold on. I'm charging my second battery pack. A little tighter. So cute. I'm trying to figure out. So it's gonna have to be gold because the first one wears gold. My braids like this. I wanted it. This is how I wanted my braids, but I don't have a haircut. So I'm gonna go down. And then, oh, let me fix this. I saw this girl wearing the same type dress and she just tucked the strings in. How do I look?
Well, you ain't got I put some on it, it's not doing cool. We're waiting on one person. How y'all doing this morning?
Good. How are you? Good morning.
I'm good, I'm good.
Look who's late. Gosh. Alright.
Let's go. This is so pretty.
Thank you. So cute and big. Alright, so we trying this new restaurant. I'm always happy when you like looks like a picture.
Right?
I'm like that picture. I guess I'm not the people that come with y'all. I don't even know where to start. I don't want the meat to fly off. I mean, percent. Okay, so get in.
I wouldn't mix it.
We get more bottles.
You can drink that kind of straight up. Yeah, you don't really need to mix it.
Show them the bottle. Sorry, show them the bottle. Oh, yes,
Very cutesy, very demure.
yes.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all trying to get lit.
I wonder how much they want to put this here. About $70.
Let's get this champagne.
More here.
Oh, yeah, because it's like 70 in my house.
It's too expensive.
Ooh, okay.
It's close to 79.
Probably 40, I think 40
Too expensive. Alright, so I just ate. I haven't been drinking yet. We want to go to the pool. So we're going to go to the pool real quick. I have a cute swimsuit I've been dying to wear. So I was like, okay. So yeah, this is a big store. They can tell we're not from here too. Let's go to Kmart. Okay. Where's that? It's cheaper? Okay. Okay, they said. That's what she said.
Whatever she said, if you go to Kmart, how far is Kmart though? Yeah, 4:30, yeah.
I like my dress. Okay, so I'm back in my room. I didn't drink at the restaurant. The food was okay. Okay. Everyone else they're paying for the catamaran, right? It's a boat, but it's a champagne cruise. I am opting out. I told them I'll meet them at the pool, of course. I'll go to the pool. That's what I'm gonna do. Go chill at the pool. I'll probably go walk to the beach or whatever. So I don't like the boat, the cruises, and when I went to Aruba, I didn't have the best time of my life. It was so hot. Right now it's raining, but it's hot still, and I don't like champagne. I know a lot of people are like, that's weird, you don't like champagne, blah blah blah. I can't drink champagne because I feel like it's like a passed out type of drunk. You know what I mean? Nobody has time for that. It's like passed out. You got a little lemonade. Okay, so you know what? I'd rather just chill at the pool. I have a book to read. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I need to email my professor too. It's kind of sweet. I don't like sweet. So I'm gonna chill, let's put the swimsuit on and we'll go downstairs. Okay, so this is the swimsuit I am wearing. Fix myself. So this is the swimsuit, so freaking cute. Okay, one piece or whatever. You guys saw my last try on haul about this hat. I just feel like it'd be perfect. What you guys think? Okay. And then this purse is already broke, but it has some little lights left. Let's see. And I want to read while I'm at the pool. So I got my little bookie. Okay. So heading to All right, so get ready. Wait, show your back. Look what she is coming prepared. We're going to the pool. I'm not playing with her. Wait, it's hookah in there too. We on. All right. All right, we going. Let's go. We outside. Right. So when it's thunder, we can't get in the water.
Okay, what you said about an hour? About 4:30.
Wait, let me see.
It stinks. It does open.
All the way.
Yeah. Oh no.
So this way. Hold on.
All right. So it's thundering. Oh.
I don't know.
Wait, it should go open more.
They all ready to look. They got all there. No, they there. It's just they. That's like one of my favorite Paris. Okay, so oh my god, y'all. Let me get this. I need the tripod. Hold on. But let me find my tripod. Do not mind the room. It is a freaking mess. So after I went to the room with, you know, my brother in their room, right? You guys saw. Hold on. After I was in their room, we had a plan. We're like, okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna hang. No, they said we're gonna get dressed, start getting dressed, and go and then head out, right? So we have planned. I'm like, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna relax for a minute and then get dressed and, you know, go out and meet them. While I fall asleep, when I mean I was passed out, my brother, they called security to come to my room because they're like, I don't know what's going on. I'm supposed to meet them, and of course I was asleep. And like when I woke up, I had all these messages. I have phone calls back to back, and they're like, what? I'm like, oh my god, I fell asleep. And then they're like, okay, we'll leave you. Well, one of the girls, and the girl said they leave it. I'm like, okay, that's fine. You know, whatever. So they left, and right now it's like it's 11, almost 11:30. No. Yeah, it's almost 11:30 at night. So I'm just sitting here. I ate the hot dog that I bought at the grocery store. So I ate that. I'm like, you know what? I kind of want to go out and show up my new outfit, you know, get some content because I don't think I have enough content for today. And then, so I texted them like, where y'all at? And they sent me the location. I'm like, okay, so right, that's where we're at now. So all I have is right now is foundation on. And I'm like, maybe I should just go get some content or whatever, show off my. As y'all have been seeing, it is not a lot to do. This weather, like what? So, yeah. That being said, I'm about to catch a taxi. So here at the resort, all you have to do is go downstairs. They can get you a taxi anytime that you want. The go-karts, they stop picking up people at 11 p.m. Of course, it's 11:30. So I'm gonna have to walk down there and tell them, or ask, can they order me a car? Now, this is the thing. I don't have that much cash on me. Last night, majority of all the restaurants and bars only accept cash. The hole in walls, like the small businesses and, you know what I mean? Like, well, you can meet, when the owner is making your drinks, that's the type of place I like to be at, okay? That's the place I want to be at. So, last night, that's where we were at. And, of course, all of them, literally all of them only accept cash. So, I spent all my cash on them. So, all I have is like, what, 50 bucks right now? Hopefully, that's enough to get me to the spot that we are going to. So, well, they are already at, so yeah. And tomorrow's our last night, so I'm like, yes, I need to go out. Why not? Alright, so literally, I tried to squeeze in a video to film. It's time for me to go. They're already there, and like I said, I have to get a taxi because I overslept. Alright, I have to check my phone. Alright, and I'm bringing my camera because they didn't trip last time when I was vlogging. So this is the outfit. I don't know, it's dark in here. I don't know. So this is gonna be my outfit. This cute orange, because like, why not? I'm just debating. I probably wear that same black purse that I had. Hold on, let me set you guys back. I don't know why I can grab this. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so I made it. I don't know why I was a little scared, because it's like I was waiting for an Uber. I mean, they'll have Uber there, a taxi, and no one came. And the next thing you know, someone popped up and whatever. But anyway, all right. So I made it here. Let me finish my drinky drink. Let's see. Let's see. I know they're probably thinking I'm not coming because I never answered, but I'm here. What happened?
Someone opened the door and then pushed, like, closed it back.
Like he made his way to get it.
Let's go. Paradise, let's go. Before you go 0 to 100. Let's go.